Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw on screen in Google Meet. Do you want to illustrate something in real time during a Google Meet meeting? Now, drawing on your screen can help you explain concepts more clearly. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to draw on your screen in Google Meet using a simple and effective method. So first things first, open your browser and head over to meet.google.com. Join an existing meeting, or you can click on new meeting and select start an instant meeting to start your session. Once you're in the meeting, then you're ready to draw on your screen. So waiting for us to join the meeting. So you can use Google Meet's built-in whiteboard via Jamboard. While Google Meet does not have a native tool for drawing on the screen directly, you can use Google Jamboard, a collaborative whiteboard tool integrated with Google Meet. So in the meeting window, go ahead and click on the three vertical dots, more options in the bottom right corner. Then here, you're going to see full layout, you can see full screen, see background and effects, but you're supposed to see one option which is not here, and that is whiteboard. So let's see how we can integrate head over to meeting tools and integrate the whiteboard feature. So once you click on the three dots, then you should find the option that says whiteboard or open Jamboard. So select it. Now, once the Jamboard opens, you have a blank canvas to work with. Use the drawing tools on the left, including the pen, highlighter, shapes, and sticky notes to draw or write directly on the screen. But now here's a clause. Say clause. Here is a clause. I'm going to show you. Just in case you cannot find the whiteboard option, this is what has happened. The built-in whiteboard option in Google Meet, previously known as Google Jamboard, has been removed. So it means all the things I've been saying about Jamboard, you can no more do that. Google is now recommending using third-party whiteboard applications like FigJam, Lucid Spark, and Mirror for digital whiteboarding within Google Meet. So how can you use Mirror? You can head over to Google Meet again and select this meeting tools. And once you select meeting tools, you can now select Mirror or even Figma or Lucid Spark. Select any of them, and once you select any of them, install and integrate them into Google Meet, and just follow the prompt to see how you can now start using whiteboard on Google Meet. So once you install Miro or Figma, then you're going to see the whiteboard options, which you can definitely explore. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course, once you're done, it'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.